Hey guys, it's Yvette, and this is going to be a very quick little video. At least a year ago, it was probably more than a year ago, I was getting a package from just another button company, and it was buttons because I love buttons. And I don't like just any kind of buttons, right? Like if somebody finds a little box full of buttons in their attic because, you know, from like their grandma or something. I know this sounds terrible, but those are not the buttons that I love. I love the little cutesy buttons, like, you know, little cutesy buttons. Even cuter than that. So anyway, I decided to go ahead and get to start up the subscription again. I'm probably not going to keep it very long. It's not cheap, because they hand make their buttons. They are not like, you know, standard buttons. They are handmade, each one. So it is worth it. It's just, it is expensive. So I thought I wanted to just give it a go because they were starting up this new program, or they are changing the way that they were doing it. So let's get it open and let's check it out. I don't know if any of you guys had received the just another button company before, but let's see what the difference is. Excuse me. I know that they're also, it used to be that you would get a pattern, and I loved that. I have one that I've been meaning to do. I have not done it in so long. Or I have not done it. It's been sitting here, and I really want to. It's a Halloween one, and I really need to get into it. Okay, so they now come in a little tin. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And it says on here, buttons handmade and hand dyed by us, packed in a sweet new tin. It is a Take Heart tin, the Button Lovers Club Pumpkin Bouquet. And the next one, because I think they do it every other month, so it's not every month that you get it. The next one that we're going to get is in September, and it's called Family Gathering. So this is the card that comes inside. And I will give you all the information about price and stuff like that. So here's the cute little tin that they come in. So you don't have to figure out, you know, like storage or anything. They each month, or each month that you get it, they will come in this little tin now. And here are the ones that are on the top that are all definitely like hand painted and done, like each one is different because they're done by hand. So there's the first one. They have this little guy. Wait, how's his little? Oh, I thought maybe he had a smiley face in the middle. I was like, I want to show it to you the right way. And they are, just to let you know, they're double-sided, so they're painted on both sides. And the kitty cat is too. And then you get different sizes, which is really cool. And here's the next one that's a little bit smaller. And then this one is even smaller. And we have a little pumpkin. And, oh my goodness, look at this guy. Here's the heart. I think they call it the Take Heart. There's the heart with a flower on it. It's 3D, if you can see that. It's like layered. And then we have a whole bunch of matching little buttons in there. Oh, what's that over there? Do they have letters in here? Hold up. They might have like letter ones in here that say something. So hold up. I'm going to try to find them. I'm finding a few of them. Oh, there's one. Oop, there's one on the bottom. Oh, you know what? I think it smells pumpkin. Because that's what it's coming out to. I'm just trying to find the darn things. Okay, there's one. Oh! Where is it, Jelly Bean? Oh my goodness, and these fingernails won't pick it up. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, this is a crazy video now. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, here we go. Pumpki. Okay, so there's an N in here somewhere. Ooh, look, we have a square button. I love it. Hey, I don't think they gave me an N. I got no pumpkin. I got pumpkin. Pumpkin. What the heck? All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull them out like one at a time. But I mean, it's they're the only white buttons. So why is there? I don't see it. Hold up. What's going on? Why is it not in here? I must just be missing it. There's a lot of buttons in here. Way more buttons than you think. Oh, look. There's a little moon button. And then we have like these little ones too with a flower on them. We've got a few of those. All right, hold on. I'm still going. I mean, it could be anywhere in here. The other ones popped out in my... Oh, there it is. I bet that's it. Oh, come on. These darn fingernails. They look really great, but then you can't pick stuff up. Yep, there's the end. And of course, a button just fell on the floor. Who knows where we're gonna find all these buttons all over the house now because I'm trying to find the words. Okay, so look, I'm just gonna say the letters look like this and they spell pumpkin. You take my word for it, because if I start picking them all up, I'm going to drop them all over the place. Okay, so not only that, but you also get a package of sprinkles. And their sprinkles are like these little tiny buttons that are all hand dyed, and they are made in small batches. So this is their Pumpkin Bouquet mix. And it's super cute. Very super cute. Okay, so you guys, it's like I really love this. I think personally, I'm gonna go on their website and see if they have any kind of little pattern that would go with this. House full of cats, peeps. House full of cats. Did y'all hear that? I have no idea what happened. I'm gonna finish up this video and then I'm gonna go and check out what they've done. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Please let me know what you think about this. I hope that there's a pattern online of something that we can do with the buttons. If not, I don't know. I'll just hold on to them till I have an idea of my own. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.